teams start arriving already in the early morning, and after having unloaded the means from the trailers, all are concentrated on the preparation of their means before facing the official scrutineering. At 11 PM on the spot, and as per the schedule, the teams take their marks in the plaza of Murcia, together with the Vice Mayor, who opens the event by waving the City Council flag. The competition immediately begins with a road book that, after various kilometers of winding paths, leads the teams within a stream that they will have to follow for a few kilometers. The various obstacles reveal to be particularly difficult to overcome, and, unfortunately, a French driver breaks a leg by slipping on a slippery rock, but he is promptly assisted by the many doctors present on the track. To face the deep hole and avoid useless stresses to the mechanical parts, many teams collaborate and help each other, while braver teams, like for example number 212, unsuccessfully try various times on their own, with the only result of offering useless but spectacular twists. Today, we are surprised by rain. We are told that it hadn't rained for months, and finally rain. Perfect for the cultivations, less for me.